Hi, hello, my name is PinoyVideoGamer. So, mag-unboxing tayo ngayon ng, well, it's an iPad. So, specifically, an iPad Pro 11-inch. Okay, sige. Ayun, so mag-unboxing tayo ngayon ng iPad. Note, this is only our second iPad kami ng wife ko. We had an iPad, yung unang-unang iPad mini. The first ever iPad mini. After nun, we didn't follow up with any Apple products. Actually, because it actually lasted a while. We really had no intention of upgrading kasi it was working fine. Nagkaroon lang ng point na hindi na ina-update ng Apple. After nun, we stayed away from it. So, I really had no intention of buying an iPad. Actually, itong iPad na to, this is actually a sponsored. so there's a project related to it. Kaya I'm excited to use it. Kaya rin pinapagamit sa akin kasi nga there is a project that's going to be done using it. And I am excited kasi ayun, I can't really reveal kung ano yung project na yun yet. Pero yun nga, this is going to be my main computer in terms of using that for that project na gagamitin. It will also open up doors to some, my old apps na matagal ko lang hindi nagagamit. Hopefully, pwede pa. So, mag-unbox lang tayo. I don't know kung eksperimentohan ko, but we'll see. Tingnan natin. This is it. This is the iPad. I don't really know kung how new this is. Nakalagay dito is iPad Pro 11-inch fourth generation Wi-Fi 128GB. Medyo out of the loop ako sa Apple. So this is interesting to me. Based sa nakikita ko, I'm not so sure if this is actually it. Pagkakintindi ko, this is priced at 55,990. So basically, it's already base model. Kasi meron pang iba pang mga 256GB or 512GB, 1TB, and may 2GB. And yung additional memory na yun just extremely adds up more sa price. I think yung 1TB is 104,000 and 2TB is 132,000. So this is base model 55,990. That's what I understand sa na to. So yeah, I'm excited because I didn't expect that this would happen. Hopefully I get how to open this kasi kinakabahan ako. Mabuksan to. Halatang hindi sanay sa paano nagbubuksan. Okay, anyway. Meron kalagay na iPad Pro dito. Medyo hindi makita. There should be some angle para makita siya. Pero may sulat iPad Pro. Dito may symbol ng Apple. Dito may iPad Pro ulit. And symbol ng Apple. Tapos sa likod, details. Tapos I think parang meron siyang parang strip dito sa taas. I think I have to rip these up. I'm not so sure kasi hindi ako familiar. At kinakabahan ako kasi ayoko masira yung lalagyan. Pero yun nga, I don't think there's really much of a choice. I think hindi talaga siya bubukas. So it's a little dented up kasi galing pa siyang US. So it was shipped sa akin. So ayun. It took a week yata from sending it to reaching here. So it was not bad. Actually, ang bilis niya. Gulat ako na nandyan na siya agad. So umpisahan ko na ang pag-unbox iPad. So that's it. So yun na nga. Rip it open. So yun na yun. Kinakabahan ako dito pag mahulog ko. Kasi nakikita ko yung mga ibang iPad, yung parang siya nakapwesto, parang alanganin talaga. So, there it is. So, brand new pa siya. Dali lang. Yan. So, ito siya. My goodness. Okay, so bago natin saan to, tabi mo na yan. Ang bigat. Ano meron dito? Ang worry ko, ayun, may buti lang, may charger na kasama. So, it's USB-C, I think. Hindi ko alam kung ano difference ang USB-C pati lightning cable. Hindi, parang hindi siya lightning kasi lightning. Yun yung gamit ng dati kong iPad. And wala na yun. So, yeah, this is the charger. Ito, hindi ko pa alam kung ano siya. Tingnan natin. So, dito, may nakita akong iPad Pro. Oh, wow, ito. Stickers! Kung fan ka ng iPad, ng Apple, may stickers na kasama. Instructions on how to use it, lalo na bagong-bago lang. Tapos some safety parang instructions. Hindi ko alam kung meron pang stuff dito. Bakit hindi ko siya matagal? Parang meron na hindi. Ano ba to? Padding lang ba to? I really don't know. I really like yung niya, yung cable na kasama. It has some weight pero parang hindi ko lang kung may purpose pa to. Pupunitin ko ba to? Siyempre ayoko punitin, di ba? Pero parang has some thickness to it kasi may parang thickness kasi na hindi ko alam. Ano ba meron dito? Manual ba to na hindi ko nakikita? I don't know, and I don't know how to open it or if there is a way to open it. Parang wala. So babalik ko muna lahat ito except for babalik ko muna tong sticker pati yung and I'm gonna turn it on for the first time. Pakita ko pala muna kasi hindi pa natin nabubuksan talaga yung iPad. So this is the iPad. Nakabalot pa siya sa plastic. Ito yung camera. Na sa plastic. So ito yung camera niya. Alam ko maganda ang camera ng iPad. Pero yun. Wow, nakapagdikit pa siya. So hindi pala siya basta matatanggal. So yun. Tinatanggal ko rin yung pandikit niya. Ito. Yan. Tinatanggal ko yung pandikit. Yan. See, may dikit talaga siya. Wow. Wow, may konting gasgas. Hindi ko alam saan nanggaling yan. Okay. So, ayan. This is it. It's weird that meron siyang really slight gasgas. Pero I don't think that should really affect me. And the screen looks nice. Tapos, ayun. So, this is a screen. This is a camera. Ito yung logo. Ito yung details ng iPad. At yun nga, merong slight gasgas. Pero yun nga, it doesn't really matter that much. Okay. So, ngayon, hindi ko alam paano siya buksan. So, ito yung screen niya. And, how do we turn this on? Tingnan na manual. Top button, press and hold to turn on iPad Pro and activate Siri. Face ID, home. Hanapin ko pa yung password ng aking Apple. Ito, it's turning on. And since ulang buwelo, matagal pa siya mag-start. Ayun na, start na. Starting na siya. So pag start niya, meron siyang half battery, may 55%. And it's saying hello different times. Wala akong naintindihan. Okay. Pinrest ko siya and nag-lock yung screen. Ano ba gagawin ko dito? Okay. Ayan na. Okay. Sige. So, ngayon nag-swiped up. Tapos, ano tayo? Philippines. Set up manually. Continue. Okay, kinonect lang natin sa internet. Tapos nakalagay dito, it may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. Data and privacy, continue. Face ID. Okay, Face ID. So, Face ID. Okay, dito, Face ID. iPad can recognize the unique three-dimensional features of your face to unlock automatically. Use Apple Pay, make purchases from Apple. Okay, so it's like Face ID stuff. Okay, continue. How to set up Face ID. Position your face camera, then move your head, circle. Get started. Tapos, Face ID. Position your head. Move your head slightly to complete. Follow arrow. First Face ID scan complete. Okay. Tapos, reposition. Move your finger to the circle. Second Face ID scan complete. Tapos Face ID is now set up. Lagay dito. And create a passcode. Okay. Oh yeah, create a passcode. Okay, so after magawa yung passcode, muna-check tayo sa apps and data. Tingnan natin kung meron pa tayong data. Let's see kung meron tayong data. Kasi matagal na to matagal ka na yung account na to. I might even change my account. Tingnan ko pa. Okay, pumasok siya sa terms and conditions after ko magawa yung password. So, supposed to be retrieved yung data. So, we'll see. What I agree. So, set up ulit siya. I really hope this works. Well, siguro naman it would work. Enter iCloud security code. I can't remember. I'm hoping na tama yung ginawa ko. I completely forgot what my code is. Okay, choose backup na backup available. So, set up as new iPad. Actually, yung habol ko lang naman kung may gumagana pang app sa akin. Kasi kung walang gumaganang app sa akin, and then I'll use a new account pa lang. Kasi nahihinaing ako kasi ang dami kong biniling apps sa dati kong iPad. So titingnan ko kung may mga apps pa na available. So, ipakita sa akin screen time. Hindi ko, I don't know what that is. Get a weekly report, insights about your screen time. Set up time limits and manage set up later. Analytics. Get started. Welcome to iPad. Yay! Nag-start na rin. Okay. iPad when sharing location. So, titignan ko kung may nakikita pa siyang I'm just gonna see if it remembers my stuff. Dami namang password pero lagi dito. Pwede ko pa makita kung ano mga old apps ko. Saan ang search? Dito, wala akong kalaban. Wala akong ka-idea dito sa ko. Search. Okay, so... Anyway, so... it seems like wala na talaga yung mga apps ko. I think. Hindi na yata niya nakikita. So, it's kind of disappointing. Kasi sabihin niya na wala yung mga apps na binili ko before. Sayang, nahinaing ako kasi magaganda yung apps. So, at the same time, na medyo nagdududa ako. Should I buy apps for this? So, medyo medyo kind of medyo pero nga, may project ako dito. So, I have to, I'll be using this. I don't know what to expect pa sa unit. Maybe I'll make a review, maybe weeks from now. It's hard for me to say anything about it other than sa nakakaaliw. Nakakaaliw siya. From what I understand, this is one of the most powerful handheld computers that I know of. Kung tama yung pagkakintindi ko, this uses an M2. Pero I'm trying to figure out nasaan ang details ng unit. Saan ang settings ito? Settings. Ayan. So this is my unboxing ng iPad. Pero yun nga, I really can't tell much about about the iPad itself. So I'm still experimenting on it and it might take time to absorb everything. Pero yun, that's my unboxing. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Yeah, I really appreciate it. Thank you sa mga sumusuporta sa akin. Thank you sa nag-sponsor dito sa unit na to. I really appreciate it. Yan nga, sana maano nga yung projects na gagawin namin for using this iPad, since gagamitin ko nga siya as my main computer for that particular project. Anyway, thank you very much. You guys take care. I really appreciate the things na mga bisita sa akin, and thank you very much, and bye-bye.